Downloadan. Downloadan. Wala pala itong downloadan eh. Wala yan daw. Hindi ko ma-downloadan yun. Diba? Walang downloadan. Hindi ko ma-downloadan. Walang downloadan yan.
Kasi nga, pambata lang yan.
Paano ako naka-download ng ML, Roblox? Saan mo pala yun ako?
Ganyan talaga yan, nakalagay na lang yan dyan, pero hindi ka makaka... Kapag may iba na... Di ba yung Toca Boca nakalagay dyan, Elsa? Di ba, Elsa? Nakalagay yung Toca Boca dyan, tas yung Roblox, tas yung ML?
Di ba, Elsa? Binura na ni Mama yung Roblox na yon. Ako nag-download. Pero, yung pagkaganyan ko lang tapos napindot ko na.
Ayun nga yung downloadan. Pag ganon, na-download na agad. Ayun yung sinasabi kong downloadan niya.
Pag yung pagkaganyan ko, napindot ko yung hindi ko napindot. May napindot ako dito na hindi ko
Hindi mo napindot.
Napindot ko. Tapos napunta ako sa tapos dinownload kay Roblox. Tapos yung nilaro ko tunay, tapos nilagay ko dito. Ito yung secret. Tantananan. Secret. Sasabihin mo nga kay Papa saan dito yung downloadan. Aba, malay ko.
Kita mo gumagawa ka ng vlog dito.
Ito kasi, pinalo ko sa'yo, hindi kasi ito. Ikaw yun. Saan daw siya natuto sa Kalabudot? Sky Prank.
That's bad.
Pag 10 years old na ako.
Na? Brace. Malaki yung tae niya.
Malaki yun talaga. Malaki. So, katulad sa'yo. Nakita ko na yun.
Yung alin?
Yung magkaganyan yun. Laki pa to. Pero damit lang. Pero di lang Oh, Sonic! Sonic!
Sonic Hidden.
Ala! Mali!
Tay, kaming duwara.
Ata akong Titan. Wala ko gets yan eh. Hindi ko gets yan eh. Hindi ako alam sa Titan. Kasi ako adult ka. Hindi ako adult ka. Ito si Ata si Eren. Kilala ko naman yun. Isa lang yung kilala ko. Ako kilala ko lahat. Kabisado mo lahat. Huwag mo na sabihin mo. Ako si tapos ko. Yan o. Ano mo, Python. Yun nga, kilala mo si Ata kung bagan. daw, no? Parang urang! Gumagin si Bambam na. Sumisigaw na si Erin. Sabi niya, Mas! Parang ito si Erin, ah. Ito. Pag lumaki siya, buto-buto siya. Tapos mahaba yung ano niya, buhok niya. Di ba, Mas? Pangit ang mukha nito, dito ako nakataho. Parang unggoy. Pero isin kayo, no? Yung kape niya, Junior. Pag kinagat ka niya, Junior, lagot ka. One hit ka lang dyan. Nanonood ka? Diba ito? Ano? Isa lang yung babae dyan? Ano, ito. Si ano, Armor. Armor Titan. Lahat sila Titan, dalawa lang lalaki. Yung si Aaron, no? Pero pag naging buto siya, sobrang tangkad niya. Ito si Aaron, no? Oh, why is this? Why is this? Why is this? Why is this?
The chef asked her to fry the thin slices over medium heat, but every time she tried, the meat was either overcooked
Ano si Aaron, no?
and the other applicants also went home. But the girl stayed alone in the kitchen. She decided she would not leave until she got it right all night long. She
Malaki
kept
pa siya
frying
kanina
these slices
sa
over medium heat. Her hands were burned.
Wow! Grabe, tinanong yung babae yun.
The whole process felt unbearably tough, and she could not resist eating food. One time, she slurped noodles loudly, and her best friend
Tinanong
offered
gusto
her.
yung babae.
She had no choice but to share the
Bakit?
noodles with her
Ano nga
friend
gusto mo
reluctantly.
yung
The
babae?
noodles tasted so amazing that the
Wow!
cheese
Wow!
and
Pinipindutan! GGM nga yun eh.
by the road launched a discount sale right then.
Ano,
Stopping
nagtaklaki
from
mo,
getting there
buko.
first, they interlocked
Paano
their
mo
hands
nasabi?
and even curled their toes tight
Kasi
together.
kasi mo
They
siya.
finally got ice cream. The next day, every passerby turned around to stare. On another day, the girl found a small guy's phone to take photos as a souvenir. Turned out he was not the real farm owner at all. The girl froze on the spot in shock. Another day, the girl was sound asleep on a high-speed
Oh,
train. When the handsome guy her away, she pulled out his sock to curl her hair. Then made two pens to rub her eyes all over her face.
Ayun na
The
yung
devil
ginagawa
thought
mo.
they were weird tricks.
Yung,
Since the girl
ano yung medyas sinasabak niya?
did not turn out well. Frustrated, she kept trying to fix it. Just then, she noticed the guy was
si Erin,
about
no?
to do something. The
Nagtanggal
girl
ulo
was
niya.
extremely excited. But what happened next?
Tinatakpan mo, Junior eh! Fast
After
bag!
that, the girl grabbed a
Ano?
cabinet and while they both felt shy, the boy asked to borrow her
Tingnan mo,
racket. The girl was
Natanggal
totally
yung ulo ni
confused. She
Erin.
watched the boy fumble a paper ball.
Wow, sugar.
He wrapped it around the ball. He looked really proud of his handmade toy. The girl could not help playing with him. Suddenly a fun idea popped into her head. She took out several packs of gummy bears and used them like popsicles in her tabletop. Once the girl got off the train,
Mama, gulay! Oh, my gulay! Kuya, ginawa sa akin ng bread. Yung wala, yung ano, may... Oh my God! Wari ka makas! Wari ka mas! Bao, may popo! Iya! Alam mo yan! Kami ito popo! Baho! Tumayo! Saan ka? Uy, punta ka dito na punta! Popo! Ate, ugas mo muna yan, may popo yan. Ito na nga. Inulit ko. Ayun siya. Oh.